welcome back to my channel and welcome to the Pantry Organization video. I'm really excited about this video. I'm going to show you guys what we're working with today and then we're going to get started. Alright, so here is the before look and it's not pretty at all. It's so unorganized. I hate it so much. So if you guys watched my vlog, you saw that I bought all of these containers. I just washed them. They're drying right now. And I also bought these baskets. So one of them's actually already in there because I was trying to tidy it up just a little bit, but I'm gonna actually organize today. So that's what we are working with, just these couple of containers. I'll probably have to get more, honestly, and then some baskets. But I think to start out, I'm just gonna take everything out of here, put it on that table, and sort through it that way, get rid of things that are expired or I no longer use. And then I'm gonna take like the cocoa powder and like sugars and stuff and put them in a container. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So let's get started. So I think in this basket, it's a little bit bigger and it's too long for these shelves. So I'm gonna put it down here. And I think what I wanna do is take out like all the trash bags that are in boxes like these, because they just like sit on the floor and there's just no reason for it. When they come like this, you know what I mean? Like I can just easily put this in here and make it look nice and get rid of boxes and kind of save space because it was taking up this whole area for like several different boxes when I can just do it this way. So I think that's what I'm gonna do now. Alright, so I just put all of the Nespresso pods in this Definitely I'm not ordering any more Nespresso until I work my way through all of this, because if you guys don't normally follow me, I have some in here and I have this whole thing pretty much full of it. So I want to make sure that I'm using that, and I'll just pull that bin to refill these spots. Making more progress. It doesn't look the way that I wanted it to. I had envisioned in my head those like super aesthetic looking pantries, but honestly, the way I've set it up is pretty functional for me, and I think we're gonna be able to use everything we have and not like buy so much random stuff. So I have all of the coffee and tea stuff up there. We've got some hot chocolate, some lemonade, just in case I ever decide to drink that stuff again. I've got my old Nespresso pods that I'm going to recycle up here. I've got some baking stuff right there. So it's basically just stuff that we don't use every day up there. I also have my nut pods back here because when I need a new one, I'll just grab one. So we've got any pasta over here. We've got anything still in boxes, some snacks, some graham crackers, because I think they were still good. And sometimes we make s'mores. And then I have like our chips. I want to get a better system for the chips because we do eat a lot of chips. So I want to like get some containers kind of like that for our chips. But for right now, that's what they're gonna do. I've got anything canned over here, our syrups here, nut butters here, oils, coconut oil, all of the flour, sugar. We've got some stuff for Dixie right here, some potatoes. We've got some like snacks, candy, snacks, all of that. And then all this down here. So I think it's looking pretty good. Like I said, it's obviously not the way that I want it, but these things take time, and I knew that when I was organizing it today, it wasn't going to be 100% exactly what I wanted, because those things do take time. I mean, they take money, they take time, so it's not going to happen overnight, but we will just, keep going. I do really like the baskets. I think if I had more baskets, or at least more of this size, I would put like the chips maybe in there. I don't know. But I definitely need more just containers and baskets. I think that would just, one of these days, I'm gonna get it together. Okay guys, it is time for the final reveal. Guys, this looks so much better than it did earlier, and I'm so excited. Let's just look. Now, I know it doesn't look the most aesthetically pleasing. Like I've said before, I need to get more containers and baskets and whatever. But for right now, this looks so much better. I actually can see everything that we have. And I know like when we go grocery shopping, I know if we have that or if we don't. And that makes me happy. The top part is the stressful part, but we just need to keep drinking through our tea and our coffee and it'll be okay. I would like to find a better way to store this stuff. Like I know you can get those racks that like store this stuff, and I think I want to do that and use this for my spices. So I might do that, but we will see. Like I said, this is still going to be a work in progress. We are definitely far from being where I want it to be, but it's just so much better. Like, and when you guys saw it earlier, I had cleaned it up a little bit. It was bad, so bad. There was not a spot. Like we would just kind of throw stuff in here because there was nowhere to put it. So I'm very, very happy that we have some space to put some stuff, and I got rid of unnecessary containers and boxes and bags of stuff. I just feel so much better. Like all the flour and sugar, I know we need almond flour. We ran out of that, and I have one container left. So I'm saving that for the almond flour when we go to the store and get it. But yeah, this is it, you guys. This is the final situation. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed getting my pantry back together because you guys, it was a nightmare, and I'm so happy with it. It looks so nice and clean, and just the fact that I got rid of so much stuff that we weren't using, that we didn't need, that was just old, and the fact that I can see everything that we have, and I now know what to look for when we go grocery shopping, and it's gonna have a place to be put in the pantry. Just makes me so happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this pantry organization video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click subscribe for more real life content. I'm trying to go through this house and get rid of things we don't need and organize it for 2022. So if you guys want to see more of those videos, definitely let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. But that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.